Hey class, welcome to week 4. All right, we're in our final 2 weeks of class. These are, remember I told you, I believe last week, these are really important weeks because each of your assignments are now worth 100 points. And remember, I told you, every point matters. Grades matter, right? So week 4 and week 5 are really important for you to get in and get engaged and complete your work. Remember, if you have any zeros, you can still submit assignments until the last day of class, and I will still grade them. You may lose a little points for it being late, but some points, it's better than no points, okay? Let's recap week 3, study skills. We had some good discussions about our study habits. Many of you said that you had fair to good study habits. You guys identified places where you could work on improving your study habits. And I believe that because you've identified and you know where areas that you are weak, that you can make improvements and that you guys will make improvement. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys apply what you've learned in this class and your study habits to your future classes, okay? We also talked about test taking skills, reading strategies. You guys made a personal time management plan. I love the schedules that you guys submitted. Many of you talked about how you could manage your time, putting your kids to bed early. Some of you even talked about having family members help you with keeping your kids, finding different quiet places to study. So great job on that, great schedules on that, okay? Now let's talk about week 4 real quick. Oops, I went down too far, guys. Week 4, we're going to talk about problem solving. And this week, we're talking about problem solving, and we're going to actually have an assignment where you're going to help someone solve a major problem in their lives. So you're going to read about critical thinking, you're going to read about problem solving, you're going to analyze and evaluate a problem this week. And then in the discussion, you're going to talk about problem solving process that we want to talk about so that you can use to analyze your problems, okay? Also this week, we have an end of term survey. In this survey, we want you to evaluate this class, evaluate your instructor, and give feedback. We really listen to your feedback. So it's very important that you do the end of term survey so that we can improve our instruction or improve our curriculum. So please, your feedback is very important. So let's recap on what we're going to talk about this week. We're going to talk about introducing critical thinking and problem solving. You're going to actually do an assignment with the best, you're going to submit as best solutions for the assignment. So you're going to analyze and evaluate Aslan's problem and then submit your solution to the problem, to Aslan's problem. Okay, and then you have a discussion on the best process for problem solving and what you do in your own life as far as problem solving. How do you go through the process of solving a problem in your own life? If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are getting fresh air, even if you go out in your backyard or on your balcony or wherever, front porch. Get fresh air, take care of yourselves during this time. All right? If you have any questions, give me a call. Thanks, guys.